look, as you can see on the video, it's replaying in numerous times. Just have a look at it for yourself. The ball came off the Tivoli Garden player's hand first. And his hand was off his body. Just the same. So, in all sense, referee could have said that, you know what, handball, free kick in favor of Waterhouse. Because it came off the Tivoli Garden player's hand initially. But because now we have it here in slow motion, up close and personal, you get a better view of it. So all the persons who have been bashing me, say me no know nothing about football, true, me support Arsenal, it look like. If you can see it for yourself now and come to your own conclusion. The ball came off the Tivoli Garden player's hand first, then it came ricocheted onto the Waterhouse player hand. But I want you to look at the exact moment that it touched the Waterhouse player's arm and also the position of the Waterhouse player's arm. Now, initially, the ball is coming from up to down. If the player standing like